Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make YouTube Shorts with Canva. YouTube Shorts are not just short videos, they're a battle for attention. You usually have 1 to 2 seconds to make someone stop scrolling. That means design, pacing, text, and hook matter more than length. Start by logging into your Canva account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Create button. Why this matters: choosing the right format first saves time later. Canva automatically sets the correct vertical dimensions when you use a Shorts template. Use the search bar and type YouTube Shorts, then click on the YouTube Shorts option. What this creates: a vertical video canvas optimized for YouTube Shorts. This means mobile-friendly aspect ratio, better fit for short speed, no awkward black bars. Once the canvas opens, browse the template section. Choose any style you like and click on it. How to choose the right template: don't choose based on pretty graphics alone. Pick a template that matches your content type: motivation, storytelling, product promo, tips, tutorials, comedy, news recap. Look for clean text areas, strong opening layout, easy customization. If prompted, click Apply All Pages. What this means: Canva adds the full template sequence. This can give you intro scene, main content scenes, outro or CTA scene. Useful if your short uses multiple scenes. Edit it how you want. Now customize everything. You can change text, photos, video clips, colors, fonts, timing, music. Templates are starting points, not finished content. Add effects, elements, and style. Go to the Elements section. Here you can add shapes, stickers, icons, motion graphics, frames, decorative effects. Smart rule for effects: if everything pops, nothing pops. Use effects to guide attention, not overwhelm the viewer. Add text overlays. Go to the text section. You can add heading, subheading, captions, call to action text. Many people watch with low volume or muted sound. Text helps retention, clarity, accessibility. Final editing checklist. Before exporting, make sure first second grabs attention. Text is readable, scenes move fast enough, branding isn't excessive, video feels clean, not cluttered. Export to YouTube. Once finished, click Share. Then choose YouTube to export directly. Depending on setup, Canva may let you connect your YouTube account, publish directly, or download first as MP4. To summarize, making YouTube Shorts with Canva begins by logging into your account, clicking Create, and selecting the YouTube Shorts format, so Canva uses a vertical video layout optimized for mobile viewing. After opening the canvas, you choose a template, optionally apply all pages, and customize the project with your own text, visuals, colors, and timing. Through the Elements section, you can add design effects, icons, and visual enhancements, while the text section allows headings, captions, and calls to action. Once the video is polished and attention-grabbing, you use the Share feature to export or publish it to YouTube. While Canva simplifies the creation process, strong performance still depends on your hook, pacing, clarity, and content idea. When used strategically, Canva is an efficient tool for producing polished YouTube Shorts quickly. And that's how to make YouTube Shorts with Canva. Easy workflow, but remember, the platform rewards attention, not effort. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.